Are you selling cosmetics, hardware, electronics products online or on social medias? Then today's video for you. First, look at this.
Wanna level up your room's aesthetic for cheap? I got you. Tired of that boring overhead light casting shadows everywhere?
Here I created this video showcasing my products using AI. So you can also create a marketing reels and video showcasing your product and upload online and increase your sales. So the tool name is called Topuw AI, and let's see how you can create marketing videos for your product using this tool. So visit the tool's website. The link is available in the description. This is the dashboard where you will find many features. You can explore them if you like. I have also created a tutorials on different features. Check out those on I buttons as well as in the description. We need to create a product marketing video. So I will click on avatar product marketing. Here you need to choose your avatar. And if you want, you can also upload your own avatar video. I'll choose this avatar. Click confirm. Now you have to upload the product link. I will randomly copy the product link from Amazon. I'll choose light as a product and copy the link and paste it here. Then I will click on import link. This will take some time to analyze the product. After that, you need to select the images you want in your video. If you don't want any image, just deselect it and click confirm. Now to create your product marketing video, you can upload your assets. The product name is automatically added, but you can change it if you want. Similarly, product details are automatically filled in, but you can edit them or add your own script by clicking use my script. Now select your aspect ratio, then choose a voice. There are many male and female voices available, even by country. You can also change the language. If you want to clone your own voice, you can do that too. I like this feature a lot. So to do this, click custom voice, then clone my voice, upload your voice and enter a name. Check this box and click next. If you want to taste your voice, type something and click taste. It will take some time. Once done, click the play button to listen to it. Finally, click confirm, and within few minutes, your video will be ready. Isn't it fantastic?
Wanna level up your room's aesthetic for cheap? I got you. Tired of that boring overhead light casting shadows everywhere?
Yes.
So if you found this video helpful, then make sure you like and subscribe my channel and share it with your e-commerce friends. See you in the next one.